Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogecoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Dogecoin was trying to break down the support of a descending triangle on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that in the previous candlestick, we had a powerful attempt to break down the support. We had a long spike to the downside, but the price could not break it down. And now it is recovered back very soon. And the current candlestick is again moving at this support. However, we have this long spike beyond the support, therefore we cannot ignore these touch points as well. And now we have several touch points here. And if I connect all these touch points like this, then you can see that now it has formed the movement is slightly changed from a descending triangle to a falling wedge pattern. You can see that we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that is happening right now here on this previous candlestick. You can see that it is bounced, and now the current candlestick is moving here. And we will also want this falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, on a 4-hour time frame chart recently, on a smaller time frame, Dogecoin has formed another down channel. And this is the resistance of the newly formed down channel. You can see that we got several rejections here, a few more rejections here and here as well. And this is the support of a newly formed down channel. And you can see that we had bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and recent bounces happening here. We have several touch points, and we will also analyze this down channel as well. And I would also like to show you a weekly time frame chart. And over here, you can see that Dogecoin has already broken out this very massive falling wedge pattern. And after that, it has also broken out the resistance of this big descending triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SEI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 25th of May 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Dogecoin, and this is the daily time frame chart. And now you can see that the movement is quite slightly changed from a descending triangle to a falling wedge pattern. You can see that now we have a perfect down trend line support here. And here we had a bounce, another bounce, another bounce, and this is the recent bounce that is happening right now. And here we have the resistance of this newly formed falling wedge pattern. In fact, not a newly formed. Previously, we were following this pattern as a descending triangle. In fact, still it can be followed as a descending triangle because we have still this support, but you can see that slightly we have another spike to the downside here. Therefore, now I'm changing this support like this, and we have several touch points here. And at the same time, on the smaller time frame chart, on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that Dogecoin has formed another down channel. And this is also a bullish bias pattern. And now recently the price end is bounced very well from the support. And now it is moving towards the resistance. If the price end breaks out the channel, then it can trigger kind of a chain reaction, because after breaking out, it can also break out the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, the target for the breakout from this down channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 16.6 cents. And in that situation, you can see that the price end can also break out this bigger resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And once the price end will be able to break out this bigger falling wedge pattern, then technical target for the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 23 cents. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. And after that, we also broke out this very big descending triangle as well. And in fact, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern before the breakout as well. And I've been telling you that once Dogecoin will be able to break out this very big falling wedge pattern, then a very massive parabolic bull run can be started. And you can see that bull run has just begun. And so far, from this though to here, Dogecoin has rallied more than 366%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 22 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now it is breaking again as a resistance. And now at the same time, you can see it is also testing this support of 12 cents as well. That was previously breaking as support here, and here it had been breaking as support, and now again it is breaking as a support. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for this very massive breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 77 cents to 80 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.